Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to animate our toy train. And animation shows how all the parts sort of come together. All right. So when you're ready, go ahead and open up your train assembly file. And once you have it open, come on over here to design and come on down to animation. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and move this guy out of the way a little bit, and I'm going to get a good isometric 3D view where I can see most of the parts. Okay, and I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Okay, and what I want to do now is I want to come over to transform components, and I want to start just clicking on all the parts that we made earlier and start pulling them out. So I'm going to zoom in, click on that guy. Okay, and I'm going to pull it out. Distance of, let's go with 3.5, enter. Let's do the same thing with that guy. Click on transform. Okay, pull them out. Let's go with, once again, 3.5, enter. Okay, and now let's go ahead and grab this guy, and we're gonna pull it out. Let's go with a distance of, oh, I don't know, -3. And now we're gonna grab our axles out. So click on that guy, pull it out. A distance of, let's just go with 2. Same thing for the other one. 2, enter. And now let's do our wheels. And let's just go with a distance of, well, let's see here. I don't want to run into the axle. So that's probably pretty good. Let's go with 0.75, enter. And let's do the same thing for the other wheel. 0.75, enter. Okay. All right, so now let's go ahead and do our cow catcher and just pull that guy out. Let's go with a distance of 1 inch. Now let's take our stack out, transform, pull it up. Let's go with a distance of 1 again. And now I'm going to rotate it around, and everything I did on this side, I'm going to do now on the other side. So there we go. And I'm trying to remember how much far I pulled those out. Let's see here. I think it was 3.5. So let's go with 3.5 and hit cancel because I meant to pull it out the other way. This way, 3.5, enter. And let's do this one. Oops, cancel. Gosh darn it. That's what I get for not zooming in here. 3.5, enter. See the linkage arm. Pull that guy out. I think I did a distance of 3 or -3. Enter. And now let's get our axle pegs again. Let's pull them out. I think I did a distance of 2.5. Okay, and now our wheels. I think I did those 0.75. Okay, and fool around. You can make them whatever distances you want. The goal is to make it look nice and symmetrical so that everything looks, organized and different parts aren't all scattered in different locations, okay? All right, now we're going to go ahead and pull out our magnet peg here. And let's just go with, oh, I don't know, 1.5 should probably work. And then for our magnet, let's pull it out about 1. Nope, not that far. So let's come on over here and adjust those guys. Actually, let's just do an edit undo and try it again. Let's just go with 0.75. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close or minimize these here. Now I wanna check, I'm gonna kind of rotate around and make sure everything looks symmetrical. And I can tell you right now, I'm not very happy with it because these are closer to the wheels than these are. So I'm gonna adjust those. I'm gonna go back, okay, and I'm gonna kind of right click on them. Now I'm gonna go back to transform components and I'm just gonna pull them out as best I can so that they look 0.376. Hit OK. Let's click on that guy, transform 0.376 so it's equal with the other one. And let's see here. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Pretty symmetrical. Everything looks nice and even. All right. So I like what I see. Let's go ahead and save it now. Now I'm going to move our little movie here up a little bit here. And notice you can move these around, you can shrink them, you can do a lot of different things. So you can customize it to make it look as cool as you want. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. And notice it kind of just spreads everything out, okay? But there's a lot of things we have here that we could mess around with, and we can um, make them all sort of, you know, we can exaggerate it so they're longer. We could stagger them so that we do one part at a time. There's a lot of different things. I'll let you guys play around with it. All right, and the one thing I like to do is to show trail lines. So I'm gonna come on down over here and click on this guy, hold down Control, and I'm just gonna click on all my parts as I hold down the Control key. I'm gonna right click, show trail lines, okay? And then I'm going to minimize that. All right, and that should do it for this animation. Go ahead and, like I said, save it. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will learn how to make an exploded view. See you next time.